How to add captions in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page where your timeline is located. To add captions, you need to create a new subtitle track. Right-click on the left side of the timeline where the tracks are listed and select Add Subtitle Track. This will create a dedicated track for your caption. Next, move the playhead to the part of the video where you want the caption to appear. Then, click on the subtitle track and click on Create Caption. A new caption clip will appear on the subtitle track and a text box will show up in the inspector panel. After that, type your caption text in the inspector. You can adjust the font, size, color, and position of the caption to make it look exactly how you want it on the screen. Make sure the text is clear and readable against your video background. Then, drag the edges of the subtitle clip in the timeline to adjust how long the caption stays visible on a screen. You can add multiple captions by clicking on Add New and syncing the captions perfectly with the audio or dialogue. Finally, when you are done adding all the captions, make sure to export your video with the caption track included. You can choose to embed the captions into the video or export them as a separate subtitle file like .srt depending on your needs. And that's it. Now you know how to add captions in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.